Hello everyone. Imagine that it's 9:30 a.m. and you are in a stand-up meeting with your manager and team. And yesterday your manager asked like everyone to estimate the project budget. And today everyone is sharing their numbers. And one of your teammates says like his module will cost 25. And another teammate says his module will cost 25.75. And another finance team joins in and they are telling we have estimated the budget as like 2 plus 3i, and now everyone looks confused. What is this number? So your manager smiles and looks and says looks like today meeting is about understanding different kinds of numbers, and that exactly what Python also has. Not every number in Python is the same. Some are whole numbers, some are decimal numbers, and some are imaginary or complex number, we can say. So today in Python we are going to understand this number. So without wasting some time, let me share my screen and explain what is number, decimal point, and imaginary. I hope my screen is visible. So let me go and create some simple numbers. Let's suppose your backend team also join in and says we need 25 server for this budget. So let's say now I will create a server name, server variable, and assign a value as 25. And now if I will see the type of this server, so it is an integer type. But now some budget was also estimated as, some teammate says that our budget is 25.75. So now let's go and calculate the budget of employee E1, employee 1 budget, or employee 1 underscore budget is equal to $25.75 or something around rupees something, or understand the $25.75, and I am executing it. Now if I want to print the type or see the type of my employee 1 budget, so what it will be, employee 1 underscore budget. So it is a floating point number. So and now see how Python is automatically calculating the type of this using the type function. And in this Python we don't need to explicitly show which type of uh, input we are or variable we are assigning. Like in suppose in C++ or in Java, if you have been creating any variable, if you are coming from that background, so we have to give the data type of variable first, like integer int. We have to write something like int int, and then we have to give the variable name, suppose server, and then is equal to 25. But in Python we don't need this. Python is like a smart enough to identify the like data type of my variable by the value only, so we don't need this. So now let's go and create some complex number also. What is a complex number? Or see, in number, if you are assigning some in negative value, like suppose n1 is equal to minus 12, and I will see the type of this, type of n1, so it will also give me an integer type. Now let's go forward and create some complex number. So in complex number, if you talk about in math, it is a complex number like 2 plus 3i, and I is nothing but root underscore minus 1 if we talk in math, and like 2 plus 3j is a constant number or a real number. So let's go and create some complex. C1 is equal to 2 plus 3i equal to not equal plus and 3i, 2 plus 3j, actually 3j, not I. So j is the value of j is nothing but -1. So now if I will see the type of this C1, so it is telling me it's a complex number. So now if you have understood how to see the, like I have said, there in Python numbers we are giving, it is of different types like integer, floating and complex number. So yes, now you have understood some, and now we are going to do some basic arithmetic. If you want to do like addition of two numbers or subtraction of two numbers, suppose a is equal to 20, b is equal to, let's say, 10, and if you want to do sum of this, sum is equal to a plus b, sum equal to a plus b, subtraction is equal to a minus b minus b. Let's do this and print this. Print sum is 20 plus 10 is equal to 30, and print subtract. So subtract is 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. So yes, this is all about like today's video. As I have explained, like today it was a small topic. We have to understand different types of number in Python. It is nothing but a like real number or floating number or a complex number. So in next video, what I am going to explain, we will see some more different types of data types. Suppose string or string we have seen, and moving forward we will also see some collection in Python. So stay tuned for that. So this is it for today, and if you have found this information helpful, then please click that like button so that I get some motivation. Also, if you want to ask some question, you have any doubt related to today's class or before this, because this is a Python mastery series. So if you have any doubt, if you are following this series, then you can ask from that also. I will answer in the comment, or I will try to make some video and post it if you have some doubt. And yes, you can subscribe to get the latest update and click that bell icon so that you can get a regular update from this, because I post videos daily at around 7 to 9 p.m. because you can come out of your college or office and learn this new topic tips in Python. So yes, thank you for today and goodbye.